What's the meaning of cabbage? Cabbage. Cabbage.
Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable that belongs to the Brassica family. It is rich in nutrients and has been used for centuries in various cuisines around the world. The word cabbage can also be used figuratively to refer to a person or thing that is unappetizing or undesirable. In this context, it may mean something that is of poor quality, boring, or uninteresting. Additionally, the term cabbage is sometimes used in economics to refer to a worthless or fraudulent investment or security. Overall, the meaning of cabbage depends on the context in which it is used.